My name is Erika Twani, and I'm the CEO of Learning 121 and author of Becoming Einstein's Teacher. I believe every student is a genius. So in this video, we're going to talk about homeschooling and why learning is a skill. Have you ever met homeschoolers before? Any homeschooler you meet, you'll see that they're successful. Why? Because they learn to learn. And that's essential to be successful in life. So in my 15 years working in education globally, I worked with schools to make sure that they help their students to learn anywhere, anytime. And in 2020, it was the perfect year to demonstrate that it works. You might be asking yourself, what is the it that I'm talking about? It is the skill that we help teachers and parents to work with their children, and it works. And here's how. This involves simple 6 steps, and these 6 steps are: first one, planning. It's very important to know what you're going to do during the day, how much time you're going to dedicate to each task. But those things need to be specific, because then you know exactly what you have to do. The second one is explore. It's when you connect the dots. It's when you recognize what you already know about that subject and connect to the new learning, to the new knowledge. The third one is research. So once you understand what you're going to learn and what you already know, then it's time to research, and you use whatever resources you have. You use books, you use technology, you use an interview with somebody, you use a documentary, you use whatever resources you have around you. The fourth one is practice. So once you've gathered all that information, now it's time to practice, practice, practice. So the new knowledge internalizes in your brain. So it comes to activities, it comes to playing a game, doing a project, doing things that will ensure that learning sticks. Then the next one is to relate. So how am I going to use this, what I learned in my life? That's the biggest mistake, I think, that schools usually commit, because what you want to make sure is whatever you're learning is useful for you. So how am I going to use this in my life? And finally, self-assess. So did I allocate the right time? Did I have the right resources to research? Did I know anything about this? So you take the bird's view eye of the whole process. So the reason why homeschoolers are successful is because they take the focus from content into the learning process, and they learn that skill, learn how to learn. The 6 steps we talked about make up the Relational Learning Framework. Now, it took us years to figure this out, to put these 6 steps together, to simplify it and bring it for you, so you make learning easier for your students and your children. So if you want to learn more about the Relational Learning Framework, pick up my book, Becoming Einstein's Teacher, watch my other videos, subscribe, like, comment, and make sure you're engaged on it.